The animal meeting.
Hello, my name is Emily Drake and I am narrator 1.
Hello, my name is Sky Parrish and I'm narrator 2.
Hi, my name is Naomi Arroyo and I am narrator 3.
Hello, my name is Dawson and I am... Hello, my name is Kaden Montgomery and I am the boar.
My name is Abel and I am the tortoise. Long ago in Africa, 3 animals held a meeting.
Each animal is little and blue.
They met to talk about peace.
Right now, our Greeks live together happily. Yes, we lions, boars, and tortoises get along well. How can we be sure that we will always get along? And make a list of rules for how to treat each other. First, we must be kind and generous. We should forgive each other for mistakes. We must all share the cool waters of our rivers and sweet grasses of our fields. Because we are leaders, others watch what we do. We must lead the way we want others to behave. Then we will set an example for them. Good idea, my friend. Why don't you tell us how you like others to behave? That way, we'll be careful not to hurt you. Well, I am easygoing, as you know. Only one thing that bothers me, I don't like to be talked about when I am away. I don't mind being talked about, but I don't like it when someone steps on my tail. Or I get scared is when someone makes a move about me.
The 3 animals agreed to remember what they had said at their meeting.
They would try to be considerate and not hurt each other.
Then the leader of the tortoises excused himself.
I have to run it errand. Will you excuse me?
The other animals nodded and the tortoise left.
As soon as the tortoise was gone, the lion looked at the boy.
I wonder what the tortoise thinks we would say about it when he's gone. I don't know. Maybe he's afraid we make fun of his big, clumsy shell he wears on his back. Perhaps, or maybe he's afraid to poke fun at how silly he looks.
Just then the tortoise came back.
Oh, so small am I. I had hardly walked past that tree over there before you began talking about me. I knew I couldn't trust you for a lion.
With those words, the tortoise looked directly at the lion with its angry scowl.
Soon as what on the tortoise's face, the lion looked out.
How dare you?
In his anger, the lion accidentally stepped on the horse's tail.
Ouch! You stepped on the tail! And you ripped it off!
The 3 animals stood face to face, shouting at one another.
Have you been to the turtle you brave man!
Just then, a large group of boys, lions, and tortoises came around the corner.
They saw their leaders fighting.
What do you think will happen next?
Dun, dun,